If you're still watching the earnings, it's probably because you're a retail fan. We're getting a lot of the retailers this week and the week of Memorial Day week, so this is their big time to shine. There's going to be a lot of questions being asked, especially about the trade war and the tariffs in particular. So if you're interested in that topic, now's the time to tune in as well. But I put together 5 of the retailers you should probably be watching this week. Some of the charts are good, some of them aren't so good, but most of them have pretty good earnings beat track records. So let's dive right in and see what they are. The first one out the gate is Home Depot. So Home Depot hasn't missed in 5 years. That's a great track record. Shares have kind of been stuck in this trading range, though, from 2018 now here into 2019. They are up off those lows of late 2018. That might have been a buying opportunity. We still have yet to see it break out here, though. So let's see if we can get a breakout here. But this is a key one because they are one of the premier retailers. Their same-store sales and comparables have been beyond reproach, basically. So if you want to know how healthy the consumer is, be tuned in on this one. Then we're going to switch over to JCPenney. Now this chart isn't quite so good, even though they have a pretty good earnings beat track record as well. But as you can see, the shares still pretty much on the decline. It has a new CEO. She's been in a couple of quarters now. I want to say this will be the 3rd one. So now it's becoming more her company. A lot of the products and changes being made are her decisions. So this is going to become, a question of whether or not she's going to be able to turn around this thing, or is it too late? So a lot of us are going to be tuning in on this one. I personally happen to like JCPenney, so I want to see them survive here and thrive, but are they? We are about to find out. Then we're going to another struggling retailer, L Brands. Now they have a great track record. They've either met or beat every quarter for 5 years. That's a great record, but the street doesn't care because same-store sales and other things are the issue here. Now, a couple years ago, they got rid of the swimwear. Now they brought it back, so that's out there. And then they're getting rid of the Angel TV show, at least on network television. So that's another big thing. What's happening with this brand? Can it get its mojo back? Still got the big dividend payment. So all these things swirling around, you're going to want to tune in if you're interested in this, or if you're just interested in seeing, if this is cheap enough for value type investors to be buying in. Then we're going to switch over to a much better chart here, Ross Stores. So these discount type of retailers have been doing really well in this environment, and this is another one of them. It has one miss, but you can barely see it on this chart way back in 2014. So if they meet or beat again here, it's going to push that one off of the chart, and then they'll have a perfect 5-year record. So we'll see if we can get that. We're also waiting to see if this one can get into breakout mode once again. It's close. It's gotten close here in this nice rally here in 2019, but we'll see if it can get there. But this is one of the ones that a lot of people are going to be watching on the discount side. And then switching over to the specialty retailers, Deckers. This is also one of the better charts of the week. Just 2 misses, and it's really turned it around here over the last year and a half, almost 2 years. Shares were breaking out again this year. And this is Uggs. They've been hot. They've been hot both in the U.S. and internationally. So can they maintain their momentum? A lot of the footwear companies have been really strong. So we shall see. As you can see, it's kind of a variety of retailers going this week, but we're going to get a pretty good idea of what the U.S. consumer looks like, even the international consumer. And then, like I said, check in to see what they're saying about the tariffs on all these companies, because that's going to be a big deal going forward. I know for me, I just bought some shoes just this last week, and on the box it said made in China, and it did go through my mind, what happens if there's a 25% tariff on these shoes? So these are the things you're going to want to be tuning in to hear what they're going to say. And you don't want to miss any of our earnings videos. I'm bringing them to you all during earnings season, which is not over yet. I'll have some more of the retailers again next week, the week of Memorial Day. So you want to tune in. You can find them all on Zacks.com/YouTube. And you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube. But either way, make sure you get these videos, and I'll be back again next time with some more earnings.